Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel itself featured credit card service of the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with previous and signing policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the